Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in this video, it's gonna be like a chill night routine, chill night in with me. I'm gonna do some self-care and just kind of wind down for the weekend. So getting right into it, I'm just coming home from work and I always have to greet my Nala bear. Y'all know, I love her so much. I'm always so happy that she's so happy to see me. And then heading into my room, I'm just kind of sitting down for a moment, and then I'm gonna get ready to clean up my room a little bit, or just at least clean up some of the stuff that's on the bed. It just helps me wind down a little bit more when I don't have so much clutter everywhere. And then once I'm done tidying up, I'm just gonna go ahead and head into the bathroom, and I'm going to take off my makeup. I'm brushing my hair through just to kind of put it up and out of the way. Usually on chill nights, I like to really just kind of wind down a lot more, and if I'm not going out, then I will completely basically get unready. And then I'm also going to take my makeup off, and I'm just going to be using a makeup remover to do this. I'm using the one by e.l.f. Anything or any products that I use, I'll definitely link it down below for you guys if I can find it. If not, I'll just try and let you know where you can get it from. And then I'm just going to use a washcloth that I put in basically really warm water, just to help get that makeup off and all of the makeup remover. And then next I'm just going to head into the shower just to get a quick clean. I'm not doing a full shower routine, I'm just getting in there just to kind of wash my body really quick, because I also wanted to take a bath later. So I'm just basically just getting clean. And then I'm also quickly just gonna wash my face. Then after a shower, I'm just going to put on some comfy clothes. Yes, I know that my balcony door is open, but I didn't change in front of there. I just changed in the bathroom. And then I'm gonna head into the kitchen, and I kind of just wanted to make a drink, because it was 5 or 6 o'clock, and I was like, okay, so that's happy hour time. So I just made a regular Jack and Coke, just to kind of kind of get the vibes going before I start cooking my dinner. And then before I start cooking, I just like to put something on in the background that I can listen to, and so I'm just putting on my favorite show that I've seen so many times, and then just putting that on the background, and then I'm going to start cooking. And tonight I decided to make chicken Alfredo. And yeah, I'm just gonna let the video play and you guys can kind of see like a little cooking montage of me cooking my food, I guess.
Pray you get that job in time for. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencil suit. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Oh wait, just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. Let's this shit right now. I'm too busy for this shit right now. Don't want to talk about this shit right now.
I liked you better on the first date. I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, cause you always taking it the wrong way. You won't listen, you're too busy playing 2K. I've always been down, but you still sleep. And even though I said it, now you should've been peeved. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep. So deep, you should know that about me. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh. Yeah, but that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. Why you talking to me like you be like? Why you always wanna be right? Oh, I just need the time that you can't find. I just need to know that it's still mine. And the way that you can't.
So now that I made my dinner, I'm just going into the room and I'm just finding like a scary movie to watch. I'm a big horror fan, so I was just trying to find something I've never seen before. But this movie was honestly not even scary, and it wasn't that good either. But now that I'm done eating, I'm just gonna head back into the kitchen and clean up any mess that I made. I was cleaning as I was cooking, so I didn't really have that much of a mess to clean up. So it was a really quick like cleanup process. And then I'm gonna head back into the bathroom and I'm gonna draw my bath. And then while my bath is running, I'm just going to put on a face mask. I'm just using this one from Fenty Beauty. And then just to like elevate my skincare a little bit, I'm going to also put on this steamer that I got from Amazon, just to kind of give it more of like a spa-like vibe. And then I also decided to turn on my LED lights because, you know, it fits the vibe. It fits the vibe. And then I kind of regret doing this, but I decided to go ahead and exfoliate my lips. I'm just using this one from St. Ives. It was super like cheap. I think it was at like Target or something, but I feel like I should have done this after I took my face mask off because it was kind of hard to do it and have it on. And then I'm just wiping it off with a washcloth. And I'm like lighting a candle just to set the mood. And then I'm also going to turn off all of the lights just to really get like chill and relaxed. And now I'm just going to wipe the face mask off. I'm also using a really warm washcloth to do this, and it felt so nice having like the washcloth be super warm. It just kind of just helped with like the spa-like vibe that I was going for. And then I didn't show this, but I also shaved while I was in the bath. So now I'm just adding this post-shave, I don't know what to call it, but I'll link it below. It's like a PFB vanish. It helps with ingrowns and all that. And then I'm also adding this pigment serum from Truly. And then if y'all seen my previous video, y'all know I love this lotion. So I'm just adding that. Just adding some moisture back into my skin since the bath water was super warm, almost hot. So I'm just adding some moisture back into my skin. And then for my skincare, I'm just putting some moisturizer on my face. And then my skin has not been skinning. I don't know what's going on. So I have a lot of like acne scarring. So I'm also gonna add some bio oil just to kind of help with the scarring around my cheeks and chin and everywhere. And I'm just gonna brush my teeth and basically get ready for bed. And I'm also going to add some lip balm, or it's like a lip like sleeping mask, but I love this stuff. It works so well. And yeah, to go to bed, I'm just putting on my favorite movie, which is Coraline. And yeah, that's how I'm going to end my night. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!